everyone guys, welcome back to RSB Ideas. Today we're making a pizza, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all we're gonna add 1 kg flour into. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, and a little bit of baking soda. Tablespoon dry yeast. Add 1/3 cup of oil. Add 1/2 cup of milk. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Now knead the dough. Now add the dough into the container for 2 to 3 hours. Cover it with a napkin. Add some water. Into the boiling water, add 4 tomatoes. After tomatoes, add 4 onions. 1/2 tablespoon salt. Now these are our ingredients for the tomato sauce. Now let them boil for a while. Now heat up another pan. Now after that, when it is heated, add some oil. After that, add garlic paste. After that, add 1 kg chicken. Now stir it well. After that, when your chicken is boiled, add some salt. After adding salt, add black pepper. Some vinegar. After that, add some red chili, coriander powder, some soya sauce.
Add some cumin seeds. Add some chili garlic sauce. Now add some chicken powder. Now add some barbecue sauce. Now add some tikka masala. Now add 2 cups of water. Now cover it and let it sit. Now these tomatoes were done boiling. We put them aside for them to cool down. Now they have cooled down and now we are going to blend. Now we have grinded the tomato and onions. Add some salt to this. Also add some black pepper. Add some oregano too. Now add some chili garlic sauce. Now we will cook this so that it can get thick.
Now our chicken is ready to make the pizza. Now our dough is ready. Now grease the floor with some flour and then add your dough. Now add some salt on your dough and now knead the dough.
Now grease your pizza pan with oil. Now grease your floor with some flour and then get a little patch of dough from that dough and then start kneading it. Place it inside your pan. First on the dough add a bit of cheese and then spread the tomato sauce.
After the sauce, let's add our chicken. Add some capsicums and onions.
Spread some green olives. Spread some more cheese. Now spread some whisked egg around the crust.
Now add some oregano. Now we're gonna cook one in the oven and one in the pot. Now first let's taste the hot one. Now let's try the oven one.